Peacock. Bat. Deer. Elephant. Hedgehog. Goat. Hippo. Cheetah. Monkey. Dog. Maine Coon, a domestic cat breed recognized for its remarkable size, luxurious long fur, and amiable nature. What distinguishes the Maine Coon from other animals is its status as one of the largest domesticated feline breeds, with males often weighing over 20 pounds. These gentle giants are known for their intelligence, sociability, and adaptability, offering a harmonious blend of both wild and domestic qualities. Their imposing yet friendly presence embodies the concept of a beloved and magnificent companion in the world of domestic pets.